Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever walked into a bright, freshly painted apartment for the very first time and felt that little flutter of excitement about calling it home? Today Hannah is touring an apartment at Avalon Chrystie Place here in Manhattan, part of AvalonBay Communities, one of the largest apartment rental companies in America, with communities across the country known for their modern amenities and a simple, friendly leasing process. And here's the magic part. Today Hannah uses one gentle phrase to ask for almost anything. Is it okay if I? You can use this exact phrase at Avalon Chrystie Place, or really anywhere you're looking for a new home. So settle in, relax your shoulders, and let's step inside with Hannah. Alright. Today Hannah has 3 gentle missions. 1. Tour a sample one-bedroom apartment and ask a few simple questions about the kitchen and closets too. Ask about the rent and lease terms at the leasing office, and calmly ask someone to slow down if the numbers come too fast. 3. Learn about the building's amenities from the front desk before she leaves when you're standing in a new apartment, sitting in a leasing office, or chatting at a busy front desk. One soft, polite phrase can carry you through every conversation, from the first hello to the final thank you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to ask for what you need, ask someone to repeat something slowly, and ask about the details that matter, all in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's step inside Avalon Chrystie Place. Here are today's 5 Avalon key phrases. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Is it okay if I take a quick look at the kitchen? Is it okay if I take a quick look at the kitchen? This is today's magic phrase. Is it okay if I? Is a wonderfully gentle way to ask permission. It doesn't demand anything, it simply checks in first, and that makes it so easy for someone to say yes. It's perfect anytime you want to explore, try something, or step somewhere new. Key phrase 2. Could you tell me what's included in the rent? Could you tell me what's included in the rent? A clear, friendly way to ask for details when you want to know exactly what you're paying for. Key phrase 3. Could you say that again, a little slower? I want to make sure I catch all the numbers. Could you say that again, a little slower? I want to make sure I catch all the numbers. A calm, easy way to ask someone to slow down, perfect for when lease terms and numbers come at you fast. Key phrase 4. Do you know if the building has a package room? Do you know if the building has a package room? A relaxed way to ask about something you're curious about, without assuming the answer. Key phrase 5. Would it be possible to see the rooftop deck before I go? Would it be possible to see the rooftop deck before I go? A polite way to ask for one more thing at the end of a visit. Great job! Now let's watch Hannah use them at Avalon Chrystie Place. Hannah steps into a sunlit one-bedroom apartment at Avalon Chrystie Place, fresh paint smell still in the air, floor-to-ceiling windows framing the Manhattan skyline. Waiting by the kitchen island is Miles. An AvalonBay leasing agent in his 40s, a man of few words who lets the apartment speak for itself, wearing a navy AvalonBay polo, keys looped calmly around one finger.
Wow, this is beautiful. Is it okay if I take a quick look at the kitchen?
Go ahead. Stainless steel appliances, quartz counters, garbage disposal.
Oh, nice and roomy. Is this a dishwasher too?
Built-in. Standard in every AvalonBay unit.
Is it okay if I check the closet space too?
Right this way.
That's a great size. Is there in-unit laundry?
Washer, dryer, right there. No laundromat trips.
This already feels like home.
That's what most people say. Take your time.
Wonderfully done, Hannah. She opened with our magic phrase, is it okay if I take a quick look at the kitchen? Notice how it doesn't demand anything at all. It simply checks in first, gently, and that makes it so easy for Miles to say yes without a second thought. This phrase works beautifully anytime you want to explore a little, whether it's a kitchen, a closet, or anywhere else in a new space. Nice and easy. Down the hall in the AvalonBay leasing office, sunlight pours through tall windows onto a desk covered in floor plans. Behind the desk is Gary, a leasing consultant in his 50s with decades of experience and a quick joke always ready, wearing a checkered blazer over his AvalonBay badge.
Could you tell me what's included in the rent?
Sure thing. Rent's $28.50 a month, plus a $45 amenity fee, security deposits 1 month's rent due at signing, and it's a standard 12-month lease with 60 days notice before renewal.
Could you say that again, a little slower? I want to make sure I catch all the numbers.
Ha! Sorry, I get excited talking about a good deal. Let's slow it right down. Rent, $28.50. Amenity fee, $45. Deposit, 1 month's rent. Lease, 12 months.
Got it, thank you. That makes so much more sense.
See? Told you it was a good deal, just needed the slow version.
It really is a great deal.
Welcome to the neighborhood, almost.
Look how calmly Hannah handled fast-talking numbers. When Gary rattled off the rent and fees quickly, she didn't panic. She simply said, "Could you say that again, a little slower? I want to make sure I catch all the numbers." Notice how calm and friendly this sounds. It's not an interruption, it's just an easy, honest request. Even lease details full of numbers and fees feel manageable with the right phrase. Near the lobby, Hannah stops by the front desk before heading out. Behind the counter is Jordan, a front desk associate in her 20s who loves to chat, always ready with a fun detail about the building, wearing an AvalonBay lanyard covered in pins.
Hi. Do you know if the building has a package room? I order things online a lot.
Oh, definitely. It's right behind me, temperature controlled too, so nothing melts in summer. Actually, funny story, we get like 200 packages a day here at Avalon Chrystie Place.
200? Wow.
Yeah, and there's a resident app that texts you the second yours arrives. Oh, and we also have a dog spa on the 3rd floor. This whole building is basically dog heaven.
That's amazing. Would it be possible to see the rooftop deck before I go?
Of course. Best view of the skyline in the whole neighborhood, I promise you. Follow me, it's right up these stairs.
I can't wait.
Wait till you see the sunset from up here. People literally move in just for this view.
Wonderful. Hannah toured a sunlit apartment, calmly asked Gary to slow down when the numbers came fast, and learned all about the building's amenities from Jordan. All with calm, polite English. At the leasing office she used "Could you say that again, a little slower?" A simple, friendly way to ask for a moment to catch up. And at the front desk, "Do you know if," helped her ask about the package room without assuming the answer. But the biggest phrase of the day was still our magic one: "Is it okay if I?" A soft, polite check-in plus a welcoming AvalonBay team equals a smooth, exciting apartment tour at any Avalon community in America. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Gary just rattled off the rent and fees really fast, and Hannah wants to make sure she caught every number correctly. What should Hannah say next? A. Never mind, I'll just guess. B. Could you say that again, a little slower? C. That's too fast, stop talking. Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase. In the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 gentle phrases that will help you feel calm and confident touring any apartment in America. Is it okay if I take a quick look at the kitchen? Could you tell me what's included in the rent? Could you say that again, a little slower? I want to make sure I catch all the numbers. Do you know if the building has a package room? Would it be possible to see the rooftop deck before I go? With these 5 phrases, even a big decision like signing a lease starts to feel simple and manageable. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It truly makes my day. Next time, Hannah moves into her new place and heads to the Container Store to find everything she needs to organize her first apartment, learning all the English you need for shopping for storage and home goods. See you next time. Bye-bye.